Welcome to the final ride of the mini-series. This is the big one, Sa Calobra. This really is a great and a fun ride. It's tiring as well though. It sees us starting in Pollenca, working our way up the mountains and then all the way down to the beach town of Sa Calobra. This ride altogether was 75 miles and 7,600 feet of climbing roughly. But that is because we went from Pollenca, Sa Calobra, down to Inca, then to Sa Pobla, which made it a nice full-day ride. If you want the routes for it, they are in the details below. You can get the GPX route, the Garmin routes, the Strava routes, and the Google Maps. So just look at the links below and you can get the whole route map and some pictures of the route as well. If I catch up with Tommy, he's going fast again as always, racing it. We're on the final day, and where are we going today? Sa Calobra. Sa Calobra! And we've got this lovely beautiful ride ahead of us. So let's go! Woo! On the way up, that's where we just came from, down the valley, and we're still on this great climb. Let's get going. At the top of Coll De Femenia, 515 meters. It is a bitch of a climb, a proper B-I-T-C-H of a climb. It's a lovely day, sun is out, it is warm. You can see along here all the banana skins. Everyone's had the recovery bananas. We're only like a little bit of the way to the start of the main climb. We head down there. Hopefully there's not so many ups. I mean, that was a good, did you say it's a half-hour climb? Yeah, about a half-hour climb. And some guy just whizzed past us like, lovely day! And we're just like, oh, we're in agony. Mile 0 on the way up Sa Calobra. Here we go. Any last words before you go down? been a very enjoyable day. Last little stretch down.
Yeah, fucking then going to be very enjoyable coming back up.
To the coast. Let's head up through the cliffs. So we descended from that, came down, amazing ride, real amazing, crazy ride. Now we've got to make our way back up. I think we're about 5 kilometers up now. You just got to settle into the saddle and enjoy it really. It doesn't really get any easier, but there are some bits where it flattens out a bit, so you can maybe ramp up 1 gear or 2. Tommy's buggered off up there in the distance. Views are just amazing. The camera does not do it any sort of justice. I'm trying to show you the path. You just have to come here for yourself and experience it. What a great climb.